Hello, beautiful people. It is your girl, Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. Of course, I am back to teach you another line dance. It is a one wall dance. It's called A&S Candy. Really easy. Nothing hard about this dance, and I'm going to give you the step-by-step instruction. But before I do, if you're interested in cardio line dancing class here in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the step-by-step instruction. If you want to dance along to the music, make sure you have all the steps. Watch till the end. Make sure you share. Make sure you like and comment. And to everyone that always leave me a comment, guys, I appreciate you. Thank you so much. And thank you for supporting the NOLA Southern Experience 2026. We sold out in like 14 hours or something like that, like really crazy. So let's mess it up. So line dancing and myself, we are looking forward to hosting you in 2026. Thank you so kindly for supporting us. Okay, so let's get busy. A&S Candy. It is a one wall dance, and I'm going to give you the first rotation. So we have a few rotations, okay? And it's real easy. All right, so the first rotation, you're going to do what I call footwork, okay? Part one, footwork. You're going to out, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that's a tempo change. Out, 1, 2, 3, and 4. On the left, you're going to do a coaster step. 5 and 6. Then you're going to kick. Kick 7 and 8 to go to the left side. Okay, so we did 1, 2, 3, and 4. Left, 5 steps. 6 and 7 and 8. And 7 and 8 to go to the other side. The left side, we're going to do the same thing we did on the right side. 1, 2, 3, and 4 on the right, coaster step. 5 and 6 on the left, and 7 and 8. So kind of do a scuff or brush, and 7 and 8. And that's part one. I call that the footwork, okay? So you're going to start this dance, every rotation with the footwork. So let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Okay? Now, this is DJ Big Stuf. So I want you to chill. Whenever you see him dance, he's chilling. Okay? So whatever step is just chill. Just chill. All right? The next step, we're going to hop up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? We did it 4 times. Again, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right? So let's put that together with the footwork. With the footwork. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Left, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right, 5, and 6. Left, 7, and 8. Up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We good? Now, here we're going to do, we're going to go around. So we just hop around. You're going to go around all 4 walls. Step, pivot, turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Real hard, right? So whenever you hop up, next thing you know, you hopped up, you move forward. We're going to step, pivot, around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We step, pivot, around. Step and pivot. Step right, pivot left. Okay, all the way around the room. Let's go back to the top with the footwork. Hop up and step, pivot, around. Real easy, right? Yes, nothing hard. Here we go. 5, 6, 7 on the right. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Left, 5, and 6. Kick, 7, and 8. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Coaster 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Up, 1, 2, from here, we're going to rock up, rock back, rock up. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we made it a little exciting. We came back with a triple. We rock up. 1, 2, back, 3, 4, up, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, just like that. Right, left, right. Up, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Okay? Now my left is over. Up. I'm going to lean to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, slide, 7, 8. Yes, I did double, double, single, single, and slide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, slide, 7, and 8. So my weight is on my left, my right heel is up. So that was the rock up, rock back, rock up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes? All right, let's put it together. Got one more thing to show you. All right? This is the first rotation. First rotation. This is what you're going to do. Footwork. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Left, 5, and 6. Right, 7, and 8. Left, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right, 5, and 6. Left, 7, and 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, pivot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What's next? Last thing. Rotation 1. Step sailor. 1, 2, 3, 4, pivot. 5, 6, 7, 8. So I pivot 2 times. I step pivot 2 times just to make a quarter turn. And I'm going to do the same thing at all 4 walls. All 4 walls. Step sailor. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Pivot. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8 is just a quarter turn. You're looking back at me. Do a step sailor again. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. Step sailor on the right, on the left, and pivot, pivot, and pivot. You're just doing a quarter turn. So take your time with the pivot. Step, pivot, turn. Step, pivot, turn. Again, this wall. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. We're done. Okay? First rotation. So now let's put everything together. And we'll go on to the second rotation. The second, third, and the fourth rotation is going to be the same. We're just going to insert something between part 1 and part 3. And we'll get to that. Nothing hard. Okay? So here we go. So let's do a review. First rotation. All rotation starts with the footwork. Yes, on the right and the left. Then we're going to hop up. We're moving up. Normally when you move up, you come back, but we're not. We're going to pivot. Step, pivot, turn. Step, pivot, turn. Step, pivot, turn. Then we're going with that rocking chair. Rocking chair. And that's how we're going to move back. And, that, Did y'all hear that sound that I made? I want y'all to do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then step sail around what we just did, all 4 walls. So, see how we hopped up and then we pivoted around? We moved up, but we never moved back. So what's going to move us back? This rocking chair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with the sound. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And step sail around. Okay, that's a review. So I'm going to do a sound effect. You got to add the sound effect. Okay, so let's put rotation 1 together. Then we'll go to 2, 3, and 4. And I'll tell you what 4 and 5 is going to be, which you're already doing it. Okay? All right. First rotation. Footwork. You got it. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step pivot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock. 1, 2, back. 3, 4, 5, 6. Lean. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Pivot. 5, 6, 7, 8. That's a quarter. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Quarter. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8 is 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, rotation 2, rotation 3, and rotation 4. So every time you start the dance with the footwork, we're going to do that. But before we do the footwork, and then we jump up, right? We're not going to do that. We're still going to jump up, but we're going to insert one more thing. Side rock recover. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Left, right, left, right. Side. 1, 2, shuffle. 3 and 4. Right, left, right, left. What you do next? Jump up. After the jump, pivot around. After pivot around, rock up, rock back. Nothing else should change. So all we're doing for rotation 2, 3, and 4, we inserting another section of the dance, another part. Side rock recover. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Left, right, left, right. Side rock on the left, shuffle cross, and right, left, right, left. So we do the footwork. We do that part I just taught you. Side rock recover. On the second rotation, third rotation, fourth rotation. Then what we do, we jump up. We're going to continue the rest of the dance. It's not going to change. We jump up, we pivot around. We rock up, rock back, rock up, lean, lean, okay? So the only thing that changes on part 1, we're not going to do that side rock recover. We're only going to do it on rotation 2, 3, and 4. Okay? Rotation 5 and 6. You're like, girl, they got 5 and 6. Yes, ma'am. But guess what we're going to do? They kind of repeating the same thing. It's the end of the song. You're going to do the footwork. Okay? And you're going to do the footwork. Always the footwork. And you're going to do the side rock recover. Left, right, side rock recover. And right, left. Footwork. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. You're going to do that on rotation 5 and 6. Just 2 parts. That second side rock, the footwork, and that side rock recover. Okay. When you see the demo, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So let me explain it to you again. There's 6 rotations to this dance. The first rotation is what I taught you, okay? First thing I taught you. The second, third, and fourth rotation, we're going to insert a side rock recover, shuffle across, go back left, right, a side rock recover on the left, and go back right, left. You're going to insert that after the footwork on rotation 2, 3, and 4, and then pick up the rest of the dance. It doesn't change. Okay? Now, that's 2, 3, and 4. On 5 and 6, in the dance, getting to the end of the song. Footwork, side rock recover on the right and left. Go back to the footwork, side rock recover on the right and the left in the dance. So if you watch the demo, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So I want you to go over to DJ Big Stuf and watch him. It's a vibe. He's just chilling. He's just chilling, okay? So watch me in the demo. I'm going to chill with it like him. And if you look at any of his dances, he always chilling now. Y'all be all hyped and stuff, but he be chilling. So I'm going to be chilling on this dance too. So that is A and S Candy. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.